Kiroto kia mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya AZIMIO Raila Odinga gia gutongoria gitaru kia Afrika ta muikariri gite wa kanju ya urumwe wa mabururi ma gitaru kia Afrika AUC kia gukinyanira thutha wa amwe aria marang'ethanagira nake kihitahitano-ini giki kwiyeheria na kumunyita mbaru. Umuthi uria urari muhuraniri wa giturwa giki kuma bururi wa Somalia Fazia Yusuf Adam acemanire na Raila Odinga na kwanirira kumunyita mbaru.
Today I've decided to also step down and support His Honorable Raila Odinga. I am in the spirit of Pan-Africanism and for Eastern Africa unity and development. I would like to support his candidacy and I'm very pleased to do it.
I'm very grateful to my sister here for the generosity she has exhibited by accepting to step down in our favor. And she has also assured me that she will work together with me in this campaign so that we can be able to bring this seat here back home.
Fazia oigite itua riake riumanite na wendi wake wa gukorwo na urumwe gitaru-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro oro udumwe na urumwe wa gitaru kia Afrika undu uria unyitirwo mbaru ni Odinga.
Somalia and Kenya are sister countries. We therefore need to be working towards closer relationship for that also.
Somalia and Kenya are sister countries. And that's why when Somalia was in distress, Kenyans went to her aid. And we continue to do our best as a nation to help them to restore peace and stability in that country.
Itua ria Fazia riukite thikũ nini thutha wa muhuraniri wa giturwa giki kuma bururi wa Seychelles kwiyeheria na kunyita mbaru Odinga uria riu ukang'ethanira na ahuraniri angi atatu githurano-ini kiria gigatabanio mweri-ini wa keri mwaka ukite. Tiga Odinga ahuraniri angi aria matanyitwo kuiyukia giturwa giki kiria giikarirwo ni Musa Faki ni minister wa maundu ma nanja bururi-ini wa Djibouti Mahmoud Ali, minister wa tene wa maundu ma nanja bururi-ini wa Mauritius Anil Gayan na Richard James kuma Madagascar.
We want to be talking about Christians and Muslims, Anglophone, Francophone, Russophone. We want Africa to be one united continent.
Reu Odinga na ahuraniri angi matanyitwo ugathurimwo ni kamiti ya memba 5 megatu kuma gitaru kia Afrika undu kamemerekio imwe kwa imwe na aikaria gitaru kia Afrika makaheo kanya kumoria ciuria. Kameme TV ngikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjikũ.